Hello students, welcome to class. Well, I'm vegan because hurting others feels wrong. I'm sure that you guys don't like hurting others either. And so hopefully maybe you guys will consider becoming vegan too. Now, today's topic is about these chairs. These are two chairs that I rescued from the garbage. I rescued them. And the reason that I take chairs out of the garbage is because I don't want them to end up in a landfill. These are perfectly good chairs. They're solid and they're plastic, and they were folded at the edge of someone's driveway, and the garbage truck just went by, so I managed to grab them just in time, and I brought them here to this park because I've noticed that whenever there's moms here or dads, that they often look like they're a little bit uncomfortable sometimes, trying to chat with each other, with friends, and this kind of gives a little nook here, a little place to sit. I have also recently taken two chairs and put them at the lake. And then the next day, my husband said he saw them, and he saw two people sitting in them, holding hands, looking out at the water. So that made me feel really good. Now those ones were more like outdoor type lounge chairs. And then this morning, earlier, I also rescued another two chairs that were at the edge of someone's driveway. They were beige, and they were the kind of like those Adirondack chairs, but the plastic ones. But these two were not broken at all. You know how sometimes those Adirondack chairs, the arms break off so easily, like they're meant to be like used for one season and thrown out, which is an absolute atrocity and terrible for the environment. But these ones were just a little bit dirty, so I picked up some leaves and sort of scrubbed them. I did the same for these, and I put them in another park, like just 2 streets over. So why am I telling you all this? I guess I'm trying to encourage you to not throw things in a landfill, because we only have one planet, and these things are not being recycled properly. In fact, often not at all. And we can just do so much better. It's a good idea to buy things that can be used for a really long time, instead of just thinking, oh, it's cheap, I'll just throw it out and get something new. It's not a bad idea to think about future generations as well. And it's so easy for us to not accumulate so much stuff. Have you ever considered buying your clothes at a secondhand store, for example? This is a great way to help the environment by recycling things that are already there, or upcycling them, reusing, whatever word you want to call it. So if you guys have ever taken things out of people's garbages, let me know. Now I know there's people going to be making fun of this and saying, oh, there she is, she's such a garbage picker. And you can go ahead and call me that, and I will wear that as a badge of honor. Because I think that if everyone picked out of each other's garbages a little bit more, we'd have a better planet. I'm not talking about opening the bags and going in there and digging for stuff. I'm talking about things that are just left there at the edges of people's driveways. Sometimes you see strollers, car seats, tables, dressers, all kinds of things. I have every single chair in my house pretty much, I think, has come out of the garbage, different people's garbages, and tables too. Sometimes they need a little bit of love, and you just have to clean them up a bit, maybe put a little bit of elbow grease in there to get off some of the stains. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about that today. Please let me know in the comments if you guys are also, like me, you like to protect the environment. And I also encourage you guys to please watch the important documentaries about the animals, because that's kind of the main reason that I'm on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, is to remind people that we don't have to eat, wear, or use animals. And hopefully you guys will, over time, get my message, because it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Got to get the message in your head. You also have to get it in your heart. But you know what? You're at the right place to start. So thanks for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.